there is last task, which is kind of generic. The project that we use for generic is non-project activities. Here you can log your efforts, like which is under trainings, then which is for basically this is admin is for like we are preparing for MBR, QBR, we are joining Scrum calls, monthly operational PPT, we are reviewing. This is mainly for leads, I would say. Approvals, PIRs, review. So this task is mainly for leads.
Minal, what we can do is we can add one more what is that word in under general meeting, Scrum.
Under general meeting, here you are saying
Scrum.
Okay.
So if you are saying that GSD will be joining on Scrum calls, and then E3 and E4 team is also joining under Scrum calls.
Mm-hmm.
So the Scrum calls are missing
in generic meetings.
In generic, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I think that would be fair.
Handover calls, Minal, for GSD.
Yeah, Scrum calls and also handover calls.
What will be the difference? Means GSD can select generic meetings or administrator for Scrum call.
So this is, as I said, this is mainly for leads.
Okay, fine. The below entry, I think other team members can use. It's
yes, fine. This one.
Okay.
They can use, agents can use this, leads can use the admin one.
Okay.
And the last one is for like if you are on leave, this task should be created. Sorry, used, not created. It is already there. So you can use this task. So this is how the new Replicon should be filled. So I feel we have a Replicon entry due today, till today. So we have to make sure we are using it in this, we are entering the efforts in this way, because that would be extracted by Luke for the billing and other purpose. So if anyone has any doubts, feel free to raise, because this is going to be. Yeah, I think someone raised hand. I can't see it, but go ahead. Yeah, Vaishnav.
It should be real, right? It should be less than 8 hours, or it's fine,
yes.
right?
Yes, in Replicon, yes. Maximum 8 hours.
Okay. No, but if 8 hours is like APAC, we are filling on the time sheet, ticket. So ticket and monitoring, it may be less than 8 hours, or we have to make it 8 hours.
We have to make it 8 hours, because even if you don't have ticket, you are not entering in Salesforce, you are available for that region to support, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so make sure not maximum Replicon. If you are working on that day, it should be 8 hours.
Per day, 8 hours. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
And then one more point.
Yeah.
For GSD. Okay. Apart from this Replicon, we are entering our efforts under the Salesforce task. Sorry, the tickets. Do not enter for EMEA and North America. Okay. No need to go to each and individual tickets, and no need to enter your efforts. That is applicable only for APAC. Okay.
And in Replicon, Minal, I have one query. There is one comment section in task wise. In that, is it mandatory to put ticket numbers also? Do we have any request from management that it's mandatory to put ticket details also, or it's up to us?
No, Rohit. No.
Okay.
We will not put, otherwise Sridhar will be very
10
sides.
I will support Sridhar here.
Yeah.
Yeah, only for Sridhar we have changed the process. Okay.
And GSD as well, because sometimes you guys get
Yeah.
lot of tickets, right? So let's not do that. We will not add efforts at ticket level here. But in
Okay.
Salesforce, we are entering mainly to capture the SR efforts and other efforts we spend. But here it is kind of no need of adding it at ticket level.
Okay. Got it. Thanks.
Minal,
Yeah.
another thing, today we are working, okay, as per Replicon, today is the holiday. Okay, so 8 hours already they filled. So if we are filling now, it is more than
Today's
8
holiday?
hours.
Yes. Yeah, Sasikumar. This issue happened even before also. We discussed with Mintu. We have to enter 8 hours today because we are working. It will be 16 hours in total.
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
So in this case, we can exceed the 8 hours.
Yes.
Okay.
Hari and Minal, I want to tell you one thing.
Mhm.
We are talking about technology, automation, everything. We are duplicating the work right here. Why they manipulate is not understanding. We are entering SR, whatever, see, in Salesforce, SR ticket, for that country, we are entering the time. Okay.
Right.
Same replicated work we are doing in Replicon. Why is that?
Yeah, Sridhar. Actually, we understand all this concern. Okay. We have already see this is the task provided by management, and we said that why we have to duplicate our efforts under Salesforce. That is an additional task. They said that in the future days they will be automating both, so that you can enter. Sorry, everyone can enter our efforts in one place, not in two places. Until
No,
then,
Hari, no, wait. That is future thing. Okay. Currently, for example, if Luke want to take a report of DKSH Malaysia, how many hours the service request work, that is there in the Salesforce already. Why it is to be entered again, Replicon split up? That is my question. You got it, Nari? Already we are entering what is a ticket. Already we have DKSH Malaysia for the service request ticket. We are entering the time. Okay. Already that report is there. If they take from Salesforce, then they have that report, right? Why again we need to enter this Replicon? That split up I am asking. Still it is not still it is a duplicate work. Now itself they can take from Salesforce, I am saying.
No,
Just
but
we are
the
discussing. I am not.
Right. Yes.
Sridhar, I have a note from Luke on this one. As per our understanding, in one of the discussions, Luke said that they are working on if in the Salesforce we are entering the code, right, it will be automated, be entered in the Replicon also.
That is future, Sasi. I am talking about current time itself. We are having the track in the Salesforce itself. Why we need to split up? We have to do here. That is my question. See, whatever. See, I am working on 5 tickets in Salesforce today. I mean, today I am working 5 tickets. That 5 tickets I am going to enter in the Salesforce ticket wise. That 5 tickets, right? 2 hours. Already we are capturing whether it is service request, whether we are capturing the country and the region of the ticket. Correct. So everything is there. Why again we need to split up here? That is my question. I don't know.
If we feel that really filling up these in the Replicon is also taking time, your suggestion is right, Sridhar.
Actually, I'm asking from that day onwards. I don't know what.
But Sasikala, if you remember, we did raise the same point with Luke, right?
Yes.
And he is making us to duplicate the work, right?
What I feel is that we can register some 1 hour or half hour every week in the Replicon under the administration or under the non-project activities for filling up